An inductor, also known as a coil, is a passive electrical component that stores electrical energy in the form of a magnetic field. Unlike capacitors, which store energy electrically, inductors store energy magnetically. Inductors are commonly used in circuits for various purposes, such as in switching regulators and for filtering. A couple of inductor key facts here. An inductor is a coil of wire that creates a magnetic field when current flows through it. The impedance of an inductor varies with frequency, acting as a closed circuit switch to DC signals and an open switch to high-frequency oscillating signals. You probably have not heard of the term impedance before. For now, just think of impedance as a measure of opposition that a circuit presents to the flow of alternating current AC. It is similar to the resistance in a direct current circuit, but also accounts for the more complex effects of capacitance and inductance in an AC circuit. Inductors are less common than resistors and capacitors, but are essential components in many electronic circuits. Another key fact is that inductors are used for energy storage, similarly to capacitors, but also to filter and to do something called inductive coupling in various electronic devices. The symbol for an inductor consists of a coil-shaped element like the one that you see here.